These are the elevators at Lakewood Ranch Medical Office Building 2 in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. We're gonna go at 3. These look like Schindlers that got modded. We're at 3. Definitely Schindlers. So here's your cab view. Here's your inspection certificate. 3,500-pound capacity. We're gonna send that one up and get the other one. But before we do, we have an interlock right here that says, I believe that says 1095. It's actually kind of hard to read. So, that was when these were installed, but these rails look like they're from newer than 95. Interesting. I'll cut them when we get the other elevator. Let's check the airlock on this one. Actually, I think that says 1005, as in October of 2005. Maybe these were HTs. I don't know. Let's just check the one up here. I'm only checking all these airlocks because they're kind of hard to read. Look like it said the same thing. So, here's your cab view. Here's your inspection certificate. Innovation fixtures. Yeah, because these rails scream Schindler HT. So, there it goes. And that'll be it.